Hey guys, welcome back. I shot this video on making vinegar from fruit in the month of June, and after the long fermentation period, it's ready now. I am all excited to show it to you. Though my love for fermentation is new, it has been the main method of preserving food here in the northeastern parts. This is one of the wettest places in the world, and it's impossible to dry your excess produce, say fruits or fish or meat, in the sun to preserve, as it rains incessantly from April till the end of October. So people preserve food items by either smoking or fermentation. Also, it is an inexpensive technique for food preservation, which enhances nutrition and sensory value of the food.
Hi guys, welcome back to Eat Your Kappa with me, Nabi. I've just harvested the last of the plums for the season and they are ripe and ready. And this small tree has produced so much of fruits that we've made jam and jellies and we've given it to neighbors. There are so many on the ground that is rotting, and I've left some for the birds as well. So what am I going to do with these plums? I'm going to be making fruit vinegar. I'm going to ferment them and make really delicious fruit vinegar. I am also going to ferment some bananas because we just harvested some bananas few weeks ago and it has riped. So I will use both these fruits to make vinegar. I would have loved to make some beautiful wines out of these beautiful fruits, but unfortunately brewing is something that is frowned upon in this village, and the village elders have passed a law that there should not be any form of brewing alcohol in the village. I am going to be making vinegar.
Making vinegar is a two-step fermentation process. In the first step, the sugar present in the plum is converted to alcohol by yeast, and then a special kind of bacteria feeds on the alcohol to produce vinegar. Glass or ceramic jars are best for fermentation. Use plastic as the last resort. Sterilize the jars using hot water or steam. And once the jar has cooled down, drop in your fruits. Cutting or crushing them speeds up the fermentation process. Almost all fruits naturally have yeast in them, so there's no need of adding yeast separately. Fill the jar up with water till the shoulder and cover the mouth of the bottle using clean cotton cloth so that the insects don't get in. Fermentation of fruit produces strong odor and attracts all sorts of insects. Keep the jar in a dark place where there is no direct sunlight. You can make vinegar with any fruit of your choice. The method remains the same. Every 2 days, make sure you stir the bottle using wooden stick or spatula. You'll notice a lot of bubble formation. Your step 1 fermentation is over when the bubbling stops. Once the bubbling stops, you can filter out the liquid and allow the step 2 fermentation to form vinegar. You might notice a thick, mucousy layer on the top that's called the mother. Full of essential microorganisms, you can take it and use it to jumpstart your next batch. The clear filtrate is your vinegar. You can allow it to mature it in a bottle.
The color is so beautiful and the aroma is so heavenly. I really wish you guys could smell it, or there was a technology that can make you guys smell the aroma. It smells amazing here. The sediment at the bottom is totally normal. Don't worry much about them.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and make yourself all sorts of fruit vinegar at home. Please do let me know in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and also hit the notification icon so that you get an update of when I am releasing my next video. And I'll see you next week with more amazing videos from the Northeast. Until then, take care and stay safe. And also follow me on Instagram at eatyourcuppa handle. Don't forget. Bye.
And also, happy belated Independence Day wishes to all of you. I had plans to post for the day, but my solar panels gave up and my battery choked and died. And I couldn't edit my video.